Hey, I'm John with Gun Sons and Ammo, Margate, Florida. We're here at Delray Shooting Center. We got our hands on a Tanfolio 9mm. It's imported by EAA, and it's a witness match model. And these guys are bringing in a lot of guns today under different names in this country. And they're real high quality guns, and they're way underpriced for what you get. So we're going to load up a magazine full, and we'll see how it's going to do. And we'll give it a shot. That thing operated like a sewing machine. It was as smooth as could be. One of the smoothest guns I've ever shot.